Friends, this girl was sleeping when her friend secretly puts fake nails on her fingers and then runs away. After some time, the girl wakes up and both girls go and sit at a table. One girl easily picks up a needle, but the other girl can't pick it up because of her big fake nails. Guys, one side is mom and the other side is money. Choose mom. Like this video and comment "Love you, mom." Like and subscribe, click the remix button, choose use this sound, and press for 2 seconds. Magic will happen. After trying again and again, the girl folds her fingers and starts breaking a gadget with her nails. Slowly, she breaks the gadget and turns it into a super gadget shape. Seeing this, the other girl hits her own gadget with a needle, and suddenly her gadget breaks.